For decades, 32-inch concrete barriers have been extremely successful in helping vehicles stay on the roadway after a crash. On occasion, motorcyclists also crash into these barriers, and unfortunately, they are often injured or killed, mainly because the riders are thrown over the barrier. Researchers with the Texas A&M Transportation Institute helped design and test a semi-rigid containment system that's intended to lessen injuries and fatalities.
We have different systems that we work with through computer simulations and design option engineering analysis. But the main idea was to have a semi-flexible system that we could attach to existing or new rigid concrete barriers. One of these semi-flexible systems that we could have used was actually a chain link fence, which is very commonly used. We did want to attach the chain link fence system to the back of the barrier because we wanted to minimize any interaction between the errant motorcycle and the chain link fence as well. So what we had to work with, it was a simple rigid post, and all we could do is to modify the shape of the post to allow for a gap between the actual plane of the chain link fence and the plane of the post that we did want to avoid from having any interaction from the motorcyclist.
What's really fascinating about this project is there is no standard with regard to motorcyclists and bridge rails or other crash-tested devices. These devices are all ruled by MASH, who addresses cars, pickup trucks, and other vehicle types, but not motorcycles.
What you can see from the test, you have the first contact between the motorcycle and the concrete barrier, and then you can see the motorcycle start being redirected, but because we have defense on top of the concrete barrier as a containment option, the dummy is contained by this chain link fence that is deflecting and is then redirected, and it finally falls back on the concrete on the impact side, which is what we wanted. We feel here at TTI that the system is ready to be implemented. The next step is to be able to find out where are the critical locations that we want to implement this system.
TxDOT chose to invest in this research because we are always interested in making our safe system even safer for the traveling public.
For more information and to find the publications for this project, please visit the TxDOT Research Library at the link shown below.